I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jaffna crab curry updated. Start by cleaning fresh crabs, toast whole spices like fennel and cumin, grind a coarse paste with dried chilies and coriander, fry onions until golden, add the spice paste and coconut milk. Simmer gently until the sauce thickens and crabs are cooked through. Finish with curry leaves and lime, then serve hot with rice or roti for a memorable meal. Gather ingredients before you start to keep the cook smooth and fun. Measure coconut milk and spices, and keep fresh curry leaves ready. Toast whole spices briefly to unlock oils and aroma. Grind toasted spices with dried chilies and a little water to a rough paste for texture. Chop onions thinly and keep crab pieces drained. This prep makes the stove work quick and the flavors bright at every step of cooking. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking guides and updates. Quick recommendation: I enjoy a good read while the curry simmers, so I mention the new Kindle Paperwhite as a handy companion you can pick up. Details are in the description. It pairs well with kitchen downtime and long recipe sessions, and you can find extra deals there. Now let's get back to the video. Heat oil, fry curry leaves briefly, then sauté onions until they caramelize for a sweet base. Add the coarse spice paste and cook until the raw smell is gone. Pour in coconut milk, bring to a gentle simmer, then add crab pieces and cover to cook through in the fragrant sauce. Adjust heat to prevent splitting the milk and finish with lime juice for brightness. Serve immediately so the sauce clings to the crab.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.